Nowadays, working from home has become the new reality for most people, but the need to remember lots of passwords for various resources gets people down. Extensive experience regarding security has taught us that a second authentication factor is a must. It is a fact that today various companies use SMS messages, OTPs, or hardware-based USB or MAC tokens. OTPs are entered manually, so all such passwords can be compromised or forgotten. Tokens can simply be lost. Working from home has become a real pain for the employee. Also, don't forget that all hard tokens cost money. Even undelivered SMS messages will be paid for by the company. The cost of hardware-based tokens is even higher. But what if employee smartphones could become their personal tokens? It is currently fully featured with PayConfirm FAM, which is not only more cost-effective and convenient, but also faster. It is based on asymmetric cryptography, meaning that each employee can store their secure key in encrypted form in their smartphone and use it to log in to any of your corporate apps or VPN. What if you have 5, 15 or more applications? Will you need to enter a password for each one? With PayConfirm FAM, it is possible to use single sign-on technology to log in just once and get free access to the corporate infrastructure.